When it comes to electric mobility, the motor isn't just a component, it's the soul of the machine. And more OEMs across India are choosing Mecwin to power that soul. Why? Let's break it down. But before starting this video, let me give you a short introduction about myself. Myself Abhishek, and I work here at Mecwin EV Motors, and we are building a sustainable future. First reason, unmatched performance proven on the roads. At Mecwin, performance is not just about the numbers on the paper, it's about real top on tough terrains. Efficiency that lasts through long rides and durability that survives Indian monsoons, potholes and peak summers. Our motors don't just pass the lab test, they pass the real world. Now second reason, tailor made for your machine. No two EVs are the same, so why settle for the motor that's built for everyone? Now Mecwin motors are custom built for your vehicle. 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, cargo EVs and fleets. From dimensions to specs, we engineer precision. Now third reason, made in India and trusted by India. Now our motors are born here, designed, developed and manufactured in India. That means faster deliveries, tighter quality control and supply chain trust. We are not just assembled in India, we are built by Indian minds for Indian mobility. Fourth reason, next generation tech ready today. Tomorrow's EV tech, it's already inside our systems with smart diagnostics and plug and play controllers that make integration easy. Mecwin isn't just a motor maker, we build intelligent motion systems ready for the future. Fifth reason, support that feels like a family. When others stop at dispatch, we start. Our clients get hands-on support, from integration help to technical training to after-sales service that actually listens. Because for us, you're not just a buyer, you're a long-term partner. If you're building tomorrow, Mecwin is ready today. Join the momentum that's electrifying India, one motor at a time. Visit mecwinindia.com today or DM us to explore more opportunities. Mecwin Motors, powering tomorrow.